Processing your company's end of financial year is a breeze in Lightning Payroll. Before you start the process, please make sure that you have read our end of financial year checklist, which has recently been emailed out to all of our users. It's also available at our website, www.lightningpayroll.com.au. If I go over to my pays screen, you can see that I've completed the final pays for June, so this last pay run of my financial year has been added in with the rest of the year's figures and should now be ready to go. If you want to move on and do a pay run or two for July, and then come back to process the end of year later on, that's fine. Lightning Payroll will allow you to do this, because any figures from July pay runs will automatically land in a new and separate financial year by default. To begin the end of year process, click on the end of year button. The overview window will appear. This screen is where you can customize your end of year process. There are a few options here which won't be used by most users, so I'll be keeping things pretty simple. This drop-down box here is where you select the financial year that you wish to process. As you can see, previous years can be rerun from this section if you ever need to come back in here and print off an old payment summary or to resubmit anything. These first three tick boxes are most likely to not be used by the average user. Choosing any of these first three options will result in extra screens throughout the upcoming end-of-year process, which are self-explanatory, so I'll be skipping them in this video as I'd like to keep things very simple. If you want to submit PAYG with SBR, but the option is grayed out or unavailable, then your OZ key hasn't been installed correctly. You'll need to either submit using an alternate lodgement method or call the OZ key support line on 1300 OZ key. If you only want to print out payment summaries and an end-of-year summary report, that's okay. Just don't worry about selecting from either of these boxes. So, let me just check that I have the right year selected, and also to submit PAYG by SBR. Now I can click Next. Here comes the Select Employees screen. I want to process all of them, so I'll select all and click Next. If there are any errors, the program will let you know by this stage. If there were no errors detected, you'll already be here at the Payment Summaries preview window. This window allows you to check each employee's totals and even make adjustments if you need to, using the Advanced button. If you need to undo any adjustments made in the Advanced area, just click on the Refresh button. If you're satisfied with everything, simply click on the Summary Report button if you'd like a full end-of-year summary to keep for your records or to give to your accountant. You can print it, save it, or even adjust the fonts with these buttons up here. I can then also print out individual payment summaries for my employees using the Payment Summaries button, right here. Like before, I can print or save these payment summaries with the buttons up top. Click Next to continue to the SBR submission page. The first thing to do here is to select your OZ key from the drop-down menu. Make sure your ABN number matches the company being processed, or else you'll get an error. Next, create a reference number for your own records. You can use whatever reference you like. I have to unlock my OZ key by entering the OZ key password that I got when I originally registered for the key. Once the OZ key password is entered, click Unlock OZ key, and you should get this message which says the password has successfully unlocked your OZ key. Now that the OZ key is unlocked, all I have to do is click on the Submit button. If successful, Lightning Payroll will let you know by displaying Message Accepted. Click Next and you're done. The Finish button will wrap up the process. This has been a Lightning Payroll video tutorial. To find out more, please visit us at lightningpayroll.com.au.